To drag the sleeve, we will use this measurement here and divide it by 2 and subtract 4. Next, I'm going to use the rectangle tool, click one on the page, and I'm going to type in 17.53. And then press on the tab key, and then the length of the sleeve is 60. Then I'm going to click on OK. Next, we want to create 2 internal lines. Simply click on this Edit Pattern tool, click one right here from the top, right click, and then select Offset as internal line. And we want to change that to 1 and the value of 12. After that, we want to uncheck the reverse direction box and then click on OK. After that, we'll create internal line from the center. Click one right there, right click, select Offset as internal line, and then change the value to 13 and click on OK. Then we want to convert them to baseline. Simply click right there to select, press on Shift, click on this line, right click, and then select Convert to Baseline. And we have to lock them. After that, let's draw the sleeve shape. Simply use the internal polygon slash line tool, click one right here to start, then click one right here, and then click twice to end. Next, we want to create the sleeve cap. Simply use the Edit Curvature tool, click on it, then click and then drag it up. Then we want to switch the tool back to Edit Pattern tool so we can perfect that sleeve cap right there. Alright, so as you can see right here, I made a mistake. Instead of click on this line, I click it low here. So I'm going to click on that point right there and then bring it up until it reached that line right there. And this line here, let's simply click and then drag it up. So the sleeve cap compared to this length here, so we measured earlier and the total of this is 43.05. We divide by 2 is 21.53. So we want this number to be 21.53. Simply bring it in. So it's 21.53. Perfect. Next, we want to cut this and unfold. Simply use the Transform Pattern tool. Click one on the internal line, right click, and then select Cut. Next, we want to remove the pattern that we don't need and unfold this. I will select this Edit Pattern tool, click one on the center, right click, and then select Unfold. Alright, let's move the pattern down here. Okay, now I'm going to move this pattern up here, guys. And I will come over here to the Reset to the Arrangement All. And we want to freeze that pattern. And right click, we want to hide. Okay,